Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'm going to show you how to remove background green screen. So for this I like to add a simple background. This one. Okay, this one is my normal background. So now I add a green screen video. This one. Now I add second layer. Guys, you must be remember you need to add green screen video or image at the second layer. Do not add at the first layer, because when you add first layer you cannot get the green screen background remover. When you add second layer you can find the setting how to remove green screen. So here is my green screen. This is something countdown. So remove the white green screen background. Just right click on the layer, right click the video or image which background you want to remove. Just right click. Here you can find green screen. Just click, or you can find just double click, go to advanced and effect. Here you can find the green screen remove setting. So shortcut is just right click, select green screen and check this option, make path of the clip transparent. Here you can see my green screen is gone. Green screen gone. When is uncheck this option, it come out, it's gone. You can also increase or decrease intensity level from here. In this way you can remove green screen from any video or image. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video on film video editing software and also others video. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.